Welcome back. In this episode, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing NextJS from scratch. So let's get started. Before we can set up a new Next.js project, you will need to install three softwares. First one is Node.js, second one is VS Code, and third one is Git, which is used for the version control. Now, Git is optional, but it is recommended to install Git as well. So go ahead and install the softwares, and then we will proceed with installation of the Next.js. After installing all the prerequisite softwares, you need to launch the VS Code. Once VS Code is launched, open the folder where you want to create a Next.js project. Then open the terminal in that folder and then execute this command, which is npx create next app at latest. Once you hit enter key, it will ask you for several questions like project name, TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS. So you can answer yes to all these questions. And for the source directory question, you can select yes or no. It depends on your preference. So it basically is asking if you want to create a source directory or not. And it's optional basically. So even if you don't create a source directory, your application will still work. The next question is about the app router. So it is recommended to use the app router. So select yes for this question. And then last question is about the default import alias. So you can select yes for that as well. Once the installation is completed, you have to change the directory. So go to the project directory that Next.js has created for you. And then from the directory, you have to execute this command, which is npm run dev. Then what will happen is that your application will start on localhost and port number 3000. At this point, it is important to note that there are two files in the app directory. First one is page.tsx and another is layout.tsx. App.tsx is a special file which is a home page for our application. It is generally found under app directory. And another file is the layout.tsx where you can store the layout for our application. For example, you can put header or footer in that particular file because it is shared by all the pages. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and created a new Next.js application from scratch. From here, we will continue building and expanding the application by adding more pages, components, and functionality. That's all in this video. I will see you in next one. Till then, happy coding.